fully automatic multifunctional filling and capping machine. Product name. Fully automatic multifunctional filling and capping machine can fill 25L 200L ton barrels. Application range. The equipment is suitable for chemical, petrochemical, food raw materials, pharmaceutical and other industries. Basic parameters. Power supply AC 220V 5060HZ 0.2 kW air source 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume 100-1200 kg. Graduation value 0.1 kg. Filling capacity 25L 120-180 barrels H, 200L 45-60 barrels H, IBC ton barrel 6-10 barrels H. Filling accuracy less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Filling gun material SUS 30 for SUS 316 PTFE optional. Explosion proof grade X11 BT4 optional. Product features. Using visual port search, the equipment is compatible with 25L, 200L, including pallets, IBC ton barrels, automatic positioning of barrel mouth, and opening and closing.